Today is the last day of my older bro's 35th anniversary. And to celebrate it, we would have to say goodbye to Mario Video Stores, as this is the last day, as today the game will disappear forever. And to celebrate it, Mario is disappeared from existence and died. I feel so bad for him. Rest in peace, Mario. July 1st, 1981 to March 31st, 2021. I miss my papa. He would always save me from danger. He would always help us rescue the Mushroom Kingdom from Bowser. He would always save me, and I would give him a kiss. Oh, I really miss him. And he'll save my galaxy. He saved my galaxy twice, with the help of my Lumas. And now, our brother Mario died. So long, Mario. Mario. Oh, Mario. But one day, the next day, what's going on here? Why am I in this dark area? What's going on? Guys? Happy April Fool's! Happy April Fool's Day, Mario. Guys, what do you think you're doing? We were just getting ready for April Fool's Day. Because your anniversary is ending, we thought you will die. Guys, I'm not dying. It's just a joke. The internet thinks I am dying, but in reality, I'm not. You, Mario, a hero. Thank you, Mario. Yes. I'm so happy to have you back, Mario. Oh, Mamma Mia. Anyway, what's up with my gravestone? Oh, I just made it because you were about to die anyway. Yeah, but I'm not. I'm still alive. I'm right here. I'm so happy to have you. From now on, let's have a big April Fool's celebration. Hooray for Mario. Ho ho ho. Thanks, everyone. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below. Bye.